Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you the steps to delete game files from your Steam tool in just 5 minutes. This method is incredibly helpful if you need to clear out some storage on your hard drive or if you simply want to organize your game collection. Let's jump right into the process. First, ensure that your Steam client is currently running. If it isn't open yet, just double-click the Steam icon on your desktop or look for it in your computer's application folder to get it started. Once the Steam window appears, navigate over to the Login section. You can find the Login button situated in the top right corner of the software. When you reach the login screen, you must provide your account name and your password. Please double-check your credentials to ensure there are no mistakes that might block your access. After you have typed in your info, go ahead and click the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your Steam homepage where your profile and recent updates are displayed. Now, look at the very top of the screen and click on the Library tab. This is where you can view your entire collection of games. This area lists every title you have ever bought or added to your account. Your next task is to locate the specific game you wish to get rid of. Once you see it, right-click on the title of that game. This will open a small menu with several different choices. From this list, move your mouse over Manage and then click on the option that says Remove from Account. If you are worried about deleting something by accident, there is no need to panic. Steam will always ask you to confirm your choice before proceeding. This built-in safety feature prevents you from losing important games by mistake. A final confirmation box will appear on your screen asking if you are absolutely sure. Simply click on Remove to finish. Now the game is gone from your library, and you have successfully reclaimed that storage space. Just remember that this is best for games you are certain you won't play again, as you may have to pay for them again if you change your mind. That is how you quickly and easily remove Steam games. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please check out our other guides for more tips to improve your gaming experience.